Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me. Are you wondering if you should take CompTIA Network Plus first or CompTIA Security Plus first? Well, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions I receive from the beginners. I'm going to help you figure out which certification you should focus on first, why it's crucial to understand the order. By the way, my name is Asim Khan. I'm an IT manager based here in Silicon Valley with 15 years of hands-on IT experience. What you hear from me is first-hand knowledge. Are you ready for this? Let's dig. So let's first talk about Network Plus. If you're completely new to IT, Network Plus is a foundational certification. This certification usually covers all the basics of networking, how devices communicate all over the network, the basics of IP addressing, router, switches, and firewalls, and troubleshooting techniques. Network Plus gives you the hands-on experience with real-world networking concepts. If you don't understand how network works, it will be incredibly hard for you to move into more advanced topics such as cybersecurity or cloud computing. You need to know how the data flows, how devices connect, and what goes on behind the scene in a network. Now let's touch base on Security Plus. Security Plus certification is a fantastic certification if you're interested in cybersecurity roles. But it's not a good idea to directly dive into Security Plus without having a solid grasp of the networking. And I'll tell you why. In Security Plus, you learn how to secure the networks, implementing firewalls, configuring VPNs, and understanding various types of attacks. But all of these concepts require you to understand how a network functions. For example, to secure a network, you need to understand how the data is routed and where potential threats may exist. I see posts on Reddit all the time from you guys. Oh, I passed the Security Plus, but I don't know why I'm not getting hired. Well, this is usually why. If you don't know how the IP addressing works, how DNS resolves domain names, or how firewalls control the actual traffic, you will struggle with Security Plus, like securing routers, VPN configuration, and network monitoring. So now you might be thinking, can I just skip Network Plus and jump into Security Plus? I mean, of course, there are exceptions. If you already have real-world networking experience, maybe from a previous job, you might be able to skip Network Plus. But for most beginners, that's not the case. Skipping Network Plus means you'll be trying to learn the security concepts without understanding the underlying networks. It's like trying to learn how to drive a car without knowing how the engine works. You'll get the concepts, but it'll be way harder for you to troubleshoot issues, and you may find yourself stuck on certain topics that assume basic networking knowledge. For instance, in Security Plus, you'll learn how to secure a wireless network. But if you don't understand how wireless networking works, how will you know how to set up the proper security configuration? Or when you're learning about firewalls, do you know the difference between stateful and stateless firewalls? If not, understanding their role in security becomes a challenge. So what's best for your career? The path most beginners take is Network Plus first, followed by Security Plus. By starting with Network Plus, you're building the necessary knowledge and confidence to tackle more advanced certifications like Security Plus. Network Plus lays the foundation for most IT certification, network administration, IT support, or cybersecurity. Once you've got your Network Plus, Security Plus will feel more intuitive, and you'll be able to apply what you have learned about networks directly to securing them. And let me tell you, once you know how the network works, you'll be much more effective as a cybersecurity professional. Here's a career tip. If your goal is to work in cybersecurity, having a good understanding of networking before diving into Security Plus will make you a more well-rounded and effective IT professional. Network Plus prepares you for roles such as IT help desk, IT support, and network technician. certifications. Security Plus helps you move towards jobs like Security Analyst, SOC Analyst, or Cybersecurity Technician. Both certifications open different doors, but having both makes resume much stronger. So as an IT manager, here's my take on this. Network Plus is the foundation you need to fully understand before Security Plus. And skipping it could leave big gaps in your knowledge that will slow you down. So unless you already have strong Network Plus knowledge, I highly recommend starting with Network Plus certification. Some learners study for both Network Plus and Security Plus together, then take the exam as a few weeks apart. That way the info overlap and you save time. But only try that if you're ready for a heavier study load. So that's it, folks. Hopefully this content was helpful. Leave me a comment if you have any question. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more IT beginner content. Until then, take care.